Red flag? And a black one? And a green one?
And a green one.
Grid, don't fall over.
Let's not fall over a grid.
What does custom mean? That's custom. Yeah.
There's only one here, I think.
Smile! Are you scared?
I'm scared.
Right, be careful.
Just getting a video. Oh, try that. That was not there, earlier.
No.
I don't think so.
No.
I was going to say. No way it was there earlier.
We're going for it around the... not far.
Not far, just round the block.
Yeah.
Don't ever bring it back.
I'm trying to buy it off it.
I'll give you £5 if you don't sell it to me. Are we going down?
Yeah. That way so you can see
Cool.
Bye!
Hello? Attention please. If anyone's shouting, it's me missus. Shut up. Well, thank you all for coming, but we are now announcing the awards for the motorcycles, and we're starting with Best Custom. Come on, Murph. It's the, in case you don't know what Murph's riding, it's the 20-foot long thing down the road there.
He wants to give him the trophy.
Congratulations, Murph. Smile on camera. Next, we've got Best Classic, and it's a joint award. So can we have the owner of the C10, is it? And the owner of the Bonneville, the Lawson brothers. You can share 6 months each. A lovely pair of motorcycles.
Oh, hang on.
Can you get me good side? Get off your Queen's belly.
And now we'll go to the Best in Show, which is the very nice Vincent. So can the owner of the Vincent please come round? Not jealous at all.
Thank you very much indeed. Much appreciated.
Right, first prize. Are we all listening? We all got our tickets out. Right, first one. It's orange. Oh, 211 for 215. Orange. That one.
Oh, I wouldn't want to then.
The next one, I'll pause.
Oh, can this little girl have a go next after George?
From 1 to 5. That is it. No one knows it's tiny.
Would you let this little...
It's fat bastard, so we'll get you right over. It's XXXX.
It's XX.
Oh, it's too small.
It was too small for me. No, too big.
Too small.
It was too big for George.
Too small.
Crop top. For the babies.
What colour's that?
They're buff.
Orange 301 to 385. Is it you, baby? Oh no, you didn't buy any, did you? Future Boss Only colour number 1 to 5.
Oh, wow. That's definitely him.
Yeah, George, see?
Does that mean I grab one?
Told you it was up.
Oh, you can have one of them or one of them.
I reckon that's more useful.
How dodgy is your
How long
body?
does it last for?
How dodgy is your body?
3 days.
If you both dodgy, you'll be dead.
Oh,
Yeah, the back light's full, but it will be by the time you get last prize
What a for?
is orange. 46 to 50. My age group, that's what I tick when I'm online.
Anyone else? What number is it? Oh yeah, look, here.
Have you got a motorbike? No. Well, you need to get one.
Oh.